Okay, hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. How are you?
I'm bad.
Hi. Are you good?
I'm good.
Good. Okay. Tonight we have a speaking test, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. So let's begin. Okay. Tell me what's your name?
I'm bad.
How old are you? How old are you? Nine? Eight? Nine? 9 years old? Nine? Nine? Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay. What's your school name? I study at. What's your school?
Alaska.
Yeah. I study at.
Intermediate.
Mm-hmm.
Intermediate.
Oh yeah. Which grade are you in? I'm in grade.
Four. Two. Four.
Grade 4. Okay. Thank you so much. Let's begin. Okay. Tell me, what are the snacks that you see on the screen?
Soda.
Soda. Yes, chocolate. Yes. Popcorn. Peanuts. How about that? Popcorn. How about this? Chips. Okay. And gum. 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 Well, yeah. What's your favorite snack? Ben, what do you like? I like.
Chocolate.
Very good. I like chocolate. Okay. Okay, Ben. Number 1. What does he want? He wants gum. Very good. How about this? She wants. Okay. She wants popcorn. She wants popcorn. Okay. How about number 6? She wants chocolate. Okay, very good. Tell me, what vegetables do you know, Ben? This is tomato. Very good. This is carrot. Okay. How was that? This is mushroom. Mm-hmm. And onion. Okay, what's your favorite vegetable? Okay, I usually eat. Very good. Yes. Okay, Ben. What place is this? This is park. This is park. How about this? What's this? This is cinema. How about this? What's this? This is library. Okay. What do you do at the park? Do you play football, basketball? What do you like? Do you play? What do you play at the park? I play at the park. Okay, how about this? What do you do? I watch movie at the cinema. Very good. Okay. Then who is she? She's a chef. How about this? He is barber. Yes. How about that? He is salesperson. Very good. What does the chef do? She's yeah, she is cooking. Where does a chef work? She works at restaurant. Restaurant. Very good. Okay, let's continue. How about this? Who are they? They are her grandparents. How about this? Who is he? He is her cousin. How about this? She is her. Again. Thank you, then. Goodbye.